Are you a sweaty gamer that's absolutely sick of being soaked in sweat while playing your favorite VR game? Then this one accessory is going to make playing your Quest 2 so much better. And it's hiding a secret feature that you might not expect. As soon as you open this box, we got another small box which contains the fan. And it comes with the tiniest Type-C cord that makes some feel big. This is going to mount right on top of your headset by attaching to this little bracket piece that holds your replacement face cover, which is made out of a nice fake leather material that actually feels a lot better than the stock one, and it's going to make you want to just trash can your old one. And looking inside the bracket, we can kind of see the grooves for that big suck, which is going to allow it to pull the air right through by your face. And it simply mounts where your old one goes and snaps right in with ease. Then using the small Type-C cord, you can actually connect it right to your Quest 2 and use it as a battery bank that gives you an extra 30 minutes to an hour depending on what game you're playing. The link is going to be in the description if you want to check it out, and also don't forget we're doing a giveaway for a Quest 2 headband in our Discord server. The link to join is right below, and come and hang out.